Alright guys, so let's do a quick teardown. It's going to be like a very quickly one. Get out. And I'm guessing this device has been screwed together with only 6 screws. There is no quality seal that we need to break before opening it up. It's always fun just to see what's inside. There's not a lot of it. This time I haven't replaced, but everything I will replace. And I'm always very happy to just choose this BL5C because these devices are running just fine on it. The only downside is that we're only going to get, let's say, around 1200 milliamps of battery life. But you can always bring a couple of these batteries with you, charge them before you go, and you have a lot of juice for play a lot of hours. Okay, so let's be very gentle when opening it up. Before I go to forget, always remove the SD card. I'm forgetting that to myself sometimes. And there is something stuck. I'm guessing I messed it up. There is no way I messed it up. Yep, I messed it up. So the top cover, you can just remove it. Over here we're going to get the big PCB, and of course this is the connector for the battery. It has here a Samsung chip inside. Boy, they sanded it off, damn it. So we cannot see anything what kind of chip they are using. I'm not going to do any further teardown because it's just pointless. On the other side we're going to get the LCD, and you can see already here like they squeezed it in. You can replace it if you want to, but most of the time they don't have a type number of the LCD, so you don't know which one to choose if it gets broken. Over here we're going to get the results when it's been made, 2021-01-03. So this device has been made this year, so this is like a brand new model. Fun fact, the reason I show you this always is like sometimes you say, new model, but in the end like you're getting something that's already like 5 years or 7 years old. Okay guys, let's go back to the final conclusion.